tell. I treat you well, I will. It's good, I can tell. Come give me hell, come here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is the week of comp, so I'm gonna be vlogging. It is currently Tuesday, and I'm bonding with my guinea pig. He's kind of like acting up. The other one's in the cage. He doesn't want to come out, so I'm still putting my clothes away.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Yeah. Okay, you want to say hi? He's kind of fat, so yeah. Don't. Okay, I'm gonna. Hey guys, I just finished hanging out my clothes, and now I'm gonna go pack. So, with that being said, I'm packing my stuff in this bag right here. So, we're gonna try to stuff We're gonna try to stuff all my things for clear in my suitcase. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be packing. Okay guys, so I just got back picking up my clothes. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna pack. Okay, so we're gonna pack my makeup, guys. I'm going to be packing my stuff in my makeup bag right here. Okay, so this is for my hair bag. I have my stuff. This is my lotion. It's the EOS pomegranate raspberry and my body wash. We're gonna have to pack this bun, but I don't know, it's kind of big, but might need this one. I think I might leave this one. No, I'm gonna bring it because you never know. This bun, these two are not the same. This very, very tiny one. All of my bobby pins are in here. This got to be glued. This will help in the long run. This is the hairspray. Got my edge brush. This is my waxing stick. Tub of gel. It's brand new. My coach bought it. This is what the bag looks like. So we're gonna be bringing all that, and yeah, so I'm gonna be bringing clear bags because for all clear you need clear bags, but I guess. Okay, so I'm bringing my chapstick, my nozzle thingy to help with my nose because sometimes if you do getting stuffy in there, my lotion and the perfume I was talking about that do come in the set. That is what's inside of my bag. I got this clear bag from Five Below. So it's really cute and it's pink. Okay, so yeah, let's fast forward to Thursday.
The next day.
Hey guys, it is Thursday. So I'm going to Monster right now. And then I practice later. I'm with my mom. And I going to my mommy's workplace and I have to drop off my tie skirt to my coach. So yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys at practice. Hello guys, welcome back. Okay, I'm at practice. Okay guys, look at Naleen over there. I can't zoom in. Okay guys, we're playing on the playground.
Get on there, bitch.
Okay, guys, look at us. Okay, go.
Did you feel it?
So this is my fit.
This is mine.
So I got this from Ross, and this is hand-me-downs. Okay, this is what Ellie's wearing. Maya.
Shirt. Girl, I'm not chewing.
Nolly. Okay, guys, so Ellie's hugging the pole. Maya's on the table. Okay, guys. And Nolly's over there, and Abby, and Elena, and then Hoa. Okay, guys, so this is Maya next to me. I'm just joshing. And this is the new Red Bull Dragonberry Energizer.
Me too.
Who would that are?
Me 3.
So it just tastes like a Baja Blast, but mine earlier tasted like the watermelon Red Bull. Okay, guys, here comes Elena.
It's 5 minutes late.
Yeah, she's kind of late, guys.
Kind of.
I mean, she's very late. So, oh,
This is really bitter, but protein.
We have to go.
okay.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. Oh, she just ate all the fries. She didn't save any for me. Okay, guys, we're gonna get started.
Cheers. Elena.
Okay, guys, this is what our hat looks
It's
like.
baked chop. 36.
I
You
don't
have a
know.
36. 36 is.
I don't know what happened. It just like broke.
Ellie. Give it to Ellie. Where's Ellie?
Suck it in, sister. No such thing as a bigger size.
Brace yourself. Suck it in. Squeeze those cheeks, sister. Suck it in. Come on, work with me. Don't give up on me. You can do this. Suck it in.
What'd you say? There's no such thing as a bigger size. Zoe about to get very 6 feet under for real now.
Here, do a 360. So this is what our skirt looks like, guys. There's sequins on the tail thingy. Oh, okay. That's enough of that.
Everybody put this stuff in there.
ถ้าเปรียบให้พี่เป็นยักษ์สีวันนี้พี่คิดจะรักษาพี่จะไม่หลอกแล้วเหมือนกับผีจะเป็นเด็กดีที่รักจ๋าพี่จะมีสีชมพูและไอ้กระจุงจะเหลืออะไรล่ะ
ใจร้ายจากผู้ชายที่แสนดีกลายเป็นยักษ์สีลงมือทำร้ายทำลายหัวใจหากมีวัน
There's Hoa. You ready?
Oh, I shoot my
Okay, guys. So this is the squad.
อะไรแนว
Okay, guys, we're going to Green Heck now. So we just left the park and now we're gonna go to Green Heck. We have Maya and Trinity in the back, and we have Hoa driving, and the road is driving.
The shake all the way up there.
Oh yeah, Shing's all the way up there.
Why is she doing that?
How do you guys feel?
I am not ready.
I'm really nervous.
Yeah, Sam. I'm
Okay.
a little nervous for this time.
Yeah, this time around, I'm more nervous than our first half song.
Yeah, me too, guys. I'm like nervous and scared, but like happy at the same time. So
Yeah, Sam, I'm kind of
But
excited.
season's coming to an end very soon. I am
yeah,
not ready for
guys.
that.
One more. We have Wassa left, and then we're done for the season, forever.
Guys, I swear Shane's gonna make us cry while someone's here.
Yeah, like we did last year.
That's you guys.
Girl.
I didn't cry.
First, right here.
Yeah, this is my school, guys.
It looks very Ginominosaurus, and it is connected to Green Heck.
It's a rich.
They are wannabe witch school. Rich school.
We're not wannabes.
They wanna be. No, just kidding. Bruh. So everybody's here now, guys.
I don't know what you want to see.
No,
So here, guys.
no.
No, it's okay. I'll just put put my stuff in my duffel bag or something.
Everybody's here.
Your tie outfit will go into mine.
Big bag, big bag. Oh.
I got it.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna go ask the girls if how they feel before comp. How do you feel before comp? Nervous. You're what? Scared. How do you feel before comp? I feel wonderful. She feels wonderful. How do you feel before comp?
Good. I'm actually really nervous.
Marie, how do you feel before comp? Feel very excited but very scared. Hey guys, it's Friday. I'm with Casper.
No, you're not.
Okay, I'm not.
joking.
I'm just kidding. So we're going to Walmart and we're going to the Mo store. So it's currently I think 11 something, and my mom and them are gonna come around 3 to come pick me up, and then we're gonna head out to Eau Claire. So I'll see you guys in Eau Claire at my hotel, and we will go check it out there. But first we're gonna vlog going to Walmart and stuff. So yeah, I am the one vlogger. But anyways, guys, we're inside of Walmart and we're making rain and stuff. I'm joshing.
I see something essential we need for our ingredients.
What?
It's called Fluffy Love.
Oh my goodness. Dude, what the heck? You're weird. Guys, look, I found my brownie. I found my brownie Ryu. Oh my gosh, my guinea pig. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that's so cute. Anyways, guys, I'm in the toy section. That?
Yeah. I want it.
You want it?
I want it. Will you buy it for me?
Let's go, guys. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my goodness. What the hell? This looks like the size of mine. So, guys, this is my banana. I like it. Look at this. It looks really cute. What the fuck? Oh.
So am I.
Bro, you're crazy. You're actually bad.
This is coming home with us.
Bro.
Okay, let's go. Move faster. Chop, 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 chop.
Who are you? Why are you harassing me?
You better walk faster before you say goodbye to your ankles.
Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, guys. So, we're now going back from the Monk store. And guess what I got, guys?
No. Guess what I got?
Took so hard! Did you see the kids looking at us?
Yeah.
I can't look because I think there's like a card in here. Oh, there's not. I thought. So, it looks like this. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Okay, guys.
What the hell is that?
Oh my gosh!
That looks like.
I should say it looks like a villager. Hey guys, I'm in Eau Claire now. So, it's currently 6:20 something. And we're gonna go get boba tea. see, I guess. And then we're gonna go check into a hotel. And then we're gonna go swimming. Okay, guys, I'm in my hotel. So, this is what, it's not much, but it's our, right here. Oh my goodness. So, here is our bed. There's right here, and this is my mommy's bed. This is my mommy. This is my dad. This is
me prepping your push pins.
just getting ready, y'all. But I'm not gonna stay here. I have my Airbnb to go to. I have 2 houses. So this is our view. It's not much, to be honest, but oh my god, there's a fucking squirrel. Look at it. It's a pedestrian. Bad. Look, it's crossing. No. What the fuck is that? Oh, heck no. So it's out here.
Oh my god, wait. I forgot my fucking mirror.
It's okay, there's a mirror right here.
That was by Asians in.
Hey guys.
Oh
I'm on my Airbnb.
No, she said she thought.
So I'll give you guys a tour in a bit.
Ooh. Annabelle's. She said
We got
don't
pizza.
mess hers up. Okay, don't worry.
I'll use her.
I got you guys these 2.
Guys. It's just so funny. I didn't know what to read.
She was like, spread it.
Oh my god. Oh, she dead. She was like rubbing it. She was like petting it. She was petting it like a dog. She's like, what do you want me to do?
Where's my
She can feel it increasing more and more. She's like, stop, my bone's gonna break off. Oh my god.
Wait, their house though. Oh, they are sleeping. We went in there to scare them. They were like about to go to sleep. Yeah, well, Ellie was sleeping, but Elena kind of like got up and like, what do you guys do? Yeah.
What the hell? What are they doing? 2:45. Oh.
Let's see. You gotta put pressure on 2:47, guys.
2:47. We.
Slipped and inched.
I barely even blinked. We did. So this is all of us.
Wait, you're doing time lapse.
No, I'm not. Hey guys, it's Saturday, and right now we're like rushing to leave. So. Oh. Sorry. Okay. So.
Guys, it's only me. That's what I do behind the scenes.
Hopefully they have good vendors this year. So yeah. See you guys at the tournament. Okay guys, we're heading to the tournament. So, oh my god. Ow. So this is how Ho is driving, guys. Oh, sorry, Maya. This is Maya in the passenger seat. And our crown, look. Oh, now it doesn't want to do it. So we're going to the tournament. Yeah, it is super cold outside. Yeah,
I'd rather had a cold than hot.
Same.
I'm freezing the skeletons out of me right now, so.
This looks bigger than. Hi, girl.
Hello. Bruh.
You just need a walk like this. Just sit.
Look.
look like an IG model. Walk with a waddle. Body shaped like a Coke bottle. Pussy stay on full throttle. Love it when I swallow. Pussy real tight like a...
Itchy. Bring the line heel so they can't walk like that. What's I didn't stretch, no. What kind of dance? When you're ready, we're gonna go stretch like that.
Hi. We made it inside.
Go the other way, girl.
Bea.
Bingo!
Bea.
Bingo!
Bea.
Take pictures of me.
No.
What's up, guys? I'm on our YouTube channel today. We're going here, open over here, and we're gonna be having fun.
Hey guys, it is Monday, but I didn't really record much for Mo on Sunday, but it was really fun. But that's all I wanted to say. So I'm really sore and my body hurts, so I'm really tired today. But see you guys for Watson. Bye.
I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. So now I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just hurt.